What we do here is go back, 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 back.
I do.
Here's to us, to a new beginning. Here's to love and a brighter ending. Welcome home, you're not alone. Here's to us, to a new beginning. Here's to love and a brighter ending. Welcome home, you're not alone. To a brighter ending. Yeah, brighter ending. Yeah, brighter ending.
Hi guys, so that's how I spend my Sunday today. I spent my Sunday in a beautiful orchards up in the hills. It was so beautiful. It's packed with different autumn colors. It was like a garden full of sunset, mate. It was really amazing to be with the nature on a nice weekend with the nice sunset out there. So I got myself into a really nice day today, and I got some good stuff for me to take home. I got some honey and macadamia bar, some energy bar with chocolate, so it should be really good. I should give it a try after dinner for my dessert. And I got some pears straight from the tree, should be really good pears. Yeah, some pears. I also got some persimmons. This orchard is really famous for persimmons. It's really tasty. You should give it a try. And also I was really thirsty, so I got myself some freshly squeezed pomegranate juice. I already had half. It's so beautiful. I gotta use my teeth. So if you do come by to Perth, don't forget to visit the orchard. I'll leave the address and the details in the description below. So thank you very much, guys, for your support. Hope you guys also had a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on another video. Till then, love you all. Have a great weekend.